Kabaw dyan do. Kuha kayo muna kagnaong.
Ano to? Pratatan.
Oh, nalagi mo. Nalagi sila. Kanang padulong mi sa Bocaue for the 4th freaking time. But we're taking the Babag Trail kay kapoy ka sa 5 towers. Kanya it's 11:45. Sana mag-lunch na kay gutom na.
Chibog time!
Chibog time!
Sa'yo pa man? Naimbito.
Baba pa ng mga on guys. So guys, dili pa rin chibog time. Chibog time. Di pa mga on. Di pa mga on. Masaka pa mi. Layo-layo pa din mi. So forward lang. Forward! Abante, Bisaya! Ta! Yeah! We are on a high ascent going to RCPI Towers and ano man eh? Static. Yeah. I only had sandwich as my breakfast and charang nagkano. Pero I wanted to eat more this lunch and I hope so at the meal I brought is enough.
If you trust your rebel heart.
Doggy. Let's go guys, it's 12 noon and di pa may mo stop kay mga on. Taon-taon pa sa unahan. Pamon sa kagay. Wala. Caught on cam. Para sa vlog. Trekking through Babag Trail is not really for the faint heart. Kay mostly high ascent, pero may kapataas. Napatas. So you really need practice and then water for dehydration. In my case, I brought 3 liters of water because I'm a drinker. And yeah, as you can see at the top of that mountain, that's the 3 towers of RCPI. So that's the peak for Mount Babag. However, we will not camp out there because there's no camping area. We're still going to Bocaue. So when we reach Babag, we need to trek for around an hour before we reach Bocaue. So kakayanin mga bes. So it's lunchtime.
Yay! Banban na!
Yay!
Dali kayo ba ni?
Moving on. Ito muna, wala mo betos doon.
Mga on ta guys.
Para sa vlog. Vlog for more.
Good night. Tara guys. Nalagi akong tulog. Why do we always climb mountains when it's so hard and it's so exhausting? Gives you pain in the legs and slide. Okay ba tayo dyan mga besh? Mga besh! Okay ba tayo dyan? Pagtak bread! Okay. Patag. Okay. Yawak! Hindi mo ko gitukmod. Okay. Kupot lagi ko niya eh.
Dalan. Daan matuwid.
May sparkle.
Sparkle ha.
Yay. Sarap. Snack break. Sparkle break is done and we are heading to Bocaue! Ito na! Oh!
Going up to Bocaue.
Hey guys, we're currently here at Naupa. Joke lang tao. Walay. Kami sa Bocaue through Babag Trail.
How's my face, guys? How was it? Matikaon, murag baboy. Pero wala na ko tiyan. Abs na lang. Okay. Right. Woo!
I'm tired!
Pagod. Yay!
Koryo, tito!
Hi, guys!
Dito mood man siya.
Hello guys, and we just set up our tents, and as you can see, kami sa kilid, and I hope that the weather turns out na good later para dili terrible ang experience. So, nga nagtao raisins kay gutom. Thank you to Astra Santi James sa sponsor sa food kay gutom. Alright.
Races gikaon kay wala mga Mutoy mo laki. Pa
8, 9,
10. Jack.
Queen.
King.
1, 2.
Good morning. Just woke up from deep sleep. Kainan time. We just broke our camp and we're gonna go home. And we exit ni sa kuan sa Mountain View. Yeah, tapos sa kayo jeep katulong Cebu City. See? Doon na Cebu City, bakit naman?
Dahil no gabi. Kabaw jud do. Kuha kay mo nakag naong.
Ano to? Pratata.
Artista na ako na nakasawawawi.
That's it for today, guys. See you next week at Mount Talinis. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, blue, and share, and yeah, bye.
Wala pa rin na humanday. Woo! Woo! Taga! Slide ako. Ano to?